Welcome to this episode of Mastering English, your quick guide to mastering the English language. Your decision to join me today is thrilling. Open your mind to a tip that can enhance your vocabulary. Word association. This method proves to be both fun and effective in remembering new words. Take the word magnificent, for instance. Link it with something grand, like a breathtaking sunset or a towering skyscraper. By creating mental imagery connected to words, your retention improves significantly. Now, shift your attention to pronunciation. Tongue twisters serve as your best friends. These tricky sentences not only improve pronunciation, but also enhance speech fluency. Here's a classic example. She sells seashells by the seashore. Start by repeating it at a slow pace, then gradually pick up speed. Consider it a comprehensive workout for your mouth muscles. What about grammar? Let's take a look at verb tenses, particularly the past perfect tense, which often confuses many. Picture a busy day you had yesterday. You can express, "By the time I arrived home, I had already finished my homework." Utilize this tense to indicate the sequence of past events effectively. What about listening? Make it a habit to watch short videos or listen to podcasts in English. Engage in active listening, tuning into different accents and tones. This practice aids you in adapting to a variety of speech styles. Finally, grab a book, an article, or even a comic strip in English. Choose something that sparks your interest. Regular reading not only enhances your comprehension but also broadens your vocabulary. Bear in mind, consistency holds the key. Make it a point to practice a little every day, be it speaking, listening, reading, or writing. Keep practicing and keep exploring the vast expanse of English. If you found this video helpful, show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. This way, you won't miss out on any valuable lessons. Thanks for tuning in. Until we meet next time, keep learning and have fun.